elimination approach based problems. Just now we discussed, write how to find out the HCF. This entire slide is used. If answer options are given, how to solve. If answer options are given, how to find the HCF. If answer options are given, how to find the HCF. If answer options are given, how to find the HCF. But before we solve these 4 problems, let me understand a few concepts. We will use that concept and we will try to solve the problem in very less time. Concept. First one, for example, first we will take an example. Suppose if I take HCF of 6, 9. HCF of 6, 9 is nothing but 3. HCF of 6, 9 is nothing but 3. Why? Because lowest is 6. 6 will not divide 9. We will take the factors of 6. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3. Highest is nothing but 3. HCF of 6, 9 is 3. Now if you observe carefully, 6 is divisible by 3. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 is also divisible by 3. If I take 2 numbers which are divisible by 3, HCF of any 2 numbers which are divisible by 3, answer also will be divisible by 3. HCF of any 2 numbers which are divisible by k, answer also will be divisible by k. Are you all with me, right sir? One more example. HCF of 12, 16. 12, 16 is nothing but 4. 12, 16 is nothing but 4. Now if you observe carefully, 12 is divisible by 4. 12 is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. 16 also will be divisible by 4. 16 also will be divisible by 4. So if I take 2 numbers which are divisible by k, HCF in the answer is also divisible by k. If I take answer and one number divisible by k, the remaining number should also be divisible by k. The remaining number should also be divisible by k. Now by using this approach, let us solve the first question. Very beautiful slide sir it is. HCF of 420, 1782. Options are 4, 7, 6 or 8. Third one. HCF of even numbers will always be an even number. HCF of even numbers will always be an even number. Fourth one. HCF of odd numbers will always be an odd number. HCF of odd numbers will always be an odd number. HCF of even numbers will always be an even number. HCF of odd numbers will always be odd. HCF of any 2 numbers which are divisible by k, answer also will be divisible by k. That k could be divisible by 3, divisible by 4, divisible by 5 and so on and so forth. HCF of any 2 numbers which are divisible by k, answer also will be divisible. Now see here. How am I solving first question? HCF of 420, 1782. These are the options. Option B is eliminated because 7 is an odd number. HCF of 2 even numbers will always be an even number. 7 is completed. Now see, 420. 20 is the last 2 digits. Last 2 digits is divisible by 4. 420 is divisible by 4. Suppose if I take the option as option 1. If I take the option as option 1. 4 is divisible by 4, 420 is divisible by 4. But what is the divisibility rule of 4? Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Last 2 digits is 82. 82 is not divisible by 4. So already we discussed, if this is divisible by 4, this is divisible by 4. 1782 should be divisible by 4. 1782 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, my assumption 4 is right is incorrect. 4 is incorrect. If a number is not divisible by 4, how can it be divisible by 8? Because 8 is nothing but 4 into 2. 7 is out because HCF of 2 even numbers is always an even number. 7 is out. 4 is out. Why? Because 420 is divisible by 4. If answer option A, 4 is divisible by 4. 1782 is not 1782 is not divisible by 4. If a number is not divisible by 4, how can it be divisible by 8? First one answer for this question is 6. Beautiful question by using answer options where we are using the divisibility rule. Same thing I will use it for question number 2. Same thing I will use it for question number 2. If option A is right, this is divisible by 10, this is divisible by 10, this is divisible by 10. 495 is not divisible by 10. That means if 3 numbers are divisible by 10, answer will be divisible by 10. But one number is not divisible by 10. So option A is out. If first option is not divisible by 10, how can the D option 20 it will come? 20 is a multiple of 10. 20 is a multiple of 10. So 10 is out, 20 is out. Now we are stuck between 15 and 5. 15 is nothing but 5 into 3. 15 is nothing but 5 into 3. Answer should be divisible by 5 and answer should be divisible by 3. Answer, what is the divisibility rule of 3? Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 2 plus 1, 3, it is divisible by 3. 4 plus 9, 13 plus 5, 18 is divisible by 3. 980 is not divisible by 3. 980 is not divisible by 3. That means, if it is not divisible by 3, how can it be divisible by 15? Answer for the second question is 5. I hope the idea is clear. Option A is eliminated because if option A is right, all the three numbers should be divisible by 10. But the second number 495 is not divisible by 10. If a number is not divisible by 10, how can it be divisible by 20? 10 is out, 20 is out. 15 is 5 into 3. Number should be divisible by 5 and 3. But the third number 980. 980 is not divisible by 3. Similarly, third one 1680 and 3600. Now if you see, it is cannot be answer 300 because this is divisible by 100. 3600 is divisible by 100. 1680 is not divisible by 100. So 300 is out. So 300 is out. Now see here. 140. 140 is nothing but 7 into 20. Answer should be divisible by 7. 1680. 7 2s are 14, 280, 7 4s are 28, 40. This is divisible by 7, 140 is divisible by 7. But 3600 is not divisible by 7. So option D is out. Are you all with me? Option A, 180. 180 is nothing but 9 into 20. Answer is divisible by 9. 3600 is divisible by 9. 1680. 1680 should be divisible by 9. What is the divisibility rule of 9? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Sum should be 9. 1680. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 digital sum is 6. So it cannot be answer 180. Answer for the third question is 240. I hope all the concepts are clear to you. Answer. We are assuming that something in the answer and we are proving that it cannot be the answer and we are eliminating that answer. Again I am explaining. HCF of 1680, 3600. First option 180 is eliminated. How it is eliminated? 180 is 9 into 20. Answer is divisible by 9. 3600 is divisible by 9. 1680 is not divisible by 9. 140 is 7 into 20. 140 is divisible by 7. 1680 is divisible by 7. 3600 is not divisible by 7. 300. 300 is divisible by 100. 3600 is divisible by 100. 1680 is not divisible by 100. Only option pending is 240. I hope the idea is clear. Next. HCF of 750, 6300, 18900. 180 is incorrect because 180 is 9 into 20. 180 is divisible by 9. 6300 is divisible by 9. 18,900 also is divisible by 9. 750 is not divisible by 9. 180 is out. 170 is 17 into 10. 17 into 10. 750 is 750 divisible by 17? No. So it cannot be 170. 210 is nothing but 7 into 30. 7 into 30. Answer is divisible by 7. 6300 is divisible by 7. 18,900 is divisible by 7. But it is not divisible by 750. 750 is not divisible by 7. 180 is out, 210 is out, 170 is out. What is the final option left? 150. 150. You can check it out. 150 is nothing but 25 into 2 into 3. Answer will have 2 because this is an even number, even number, even number. HCF of any even number is an even number. So answer will be 2. Answer will be 3 because 750 is divisible by 3, 6300 is divisible by 3, 18,900 is divisible by 3. So answer is also divisible by 25. Excellent slide, sir. This slide covers all the questions how to use answer options. We have discussed how to use the lowest number in the given series, find the HCF. But sometimes it is becoming lengthy, and these elimination based approach based problems uses a divisibility rule for the given numbers. This uses divisibility rule for the given numbers. This uses divisibility rule for the given numbers. These are the concepts. HCF of any two even numbers is an even number. HCF of any two odd numbers is an odd number. HCF of any two numbers which are divisible by k. Answer also is divisible by k. Idea clear? Extremely important slide. Extremely important slide. First we have discussed the definition of HCF. Then we have discussed how to find the HCF of a given numbers using the lowest number as the point of reference. If lowest number divides every other number, lowest number is called as a factor. If the lowest number is not dividing every other number, we will take the factors of the lowest number and we check what is the highest among the factors which will divide every other number. That's point number 2. Point number 3, we will use elimination based approach. We will use elimination based approach. I hope it is clear.
You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free AMC.